guys, it's Ella. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup routine, so if you want to see how I get this look that I basically do every single day, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I do is like my skincare and give myself like a good base, because if you don't have a good base, then your makeup's just not gonna stick good. So make sure you do your skincare, moisturize, and do all the things. But the first makeup step I do is I use this e.l.f. Halo Glow. And then I take my beauty blender and I blend it out as best as I can. And then up next, I am obsessed with this concealer. It's the best concealer ever. Forget all of the Forget all of the high-end brands and all of that kind of stuff. When it comes to concealer, this is the best concealer ever. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser. And I love this stuff. I love the little applicator. This stuff is just amazing. And then I'm going to blend this out. Kind of give me some brightness and kind of blend in the e.l.f. Halo Glow, because it's a little dark for me right now because of the winter and there's no sun. Beauty Wand's contour, and I love this stuff. It's just as good as Charlotte Tilbury. People have mixed reviews on this, but I love this. I have this in the shade tan/deep, so it's like, I'm pretty sure like the darkest color, which is not the best for me. So whenever you're applying this, you can do it in the 3, in the E. A lot of people do that, and I'm sure y'all have seen that everywhere, but today I'm only doing it on my cheekbones just because it is a more natural look, and I don't want to end up looking a little bit crazy because I am known to go a little bit ham on this stuff and then I look a little crazy. Yeah, so I just do this basically. So now that all of my cream products are done, which I like to do all my creams and then, or like liquids, and then I go in and do all of my powders on top and kind of like set it. So I love using this Dior Forever Natural Bronze. I love this stuff. It's amazing. It's so good. So I go pretty much almost all over my face in this stuff. A big brush. I saw on TikTok this one makeup artist that like does where like she teaches people, and the girl had like a big brush like this to do her bronzer, and the makeup artist was like, no, it's not supposed to be the size of your forehead, and my brush is the size of my forehead, but this is just what I use. But I do focus it on my cheekbones just because I feel like it slims my face a little bit more. I have a bit of a round face, I feel like, so it kind of does help. And then next up is blush, and I love using the Dior Forever.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Oh my god. That scared me. Like so bad. Did y'all hear that? My Alexa started talking. So next up is blush, and I love using this Dior one. This is in the shade Rosewood, and I just love this shade. I feel like it's perfect for me, and this stuff is just amazing. If you want to splurge on like one product, I feel like it should be a blush or a bronzer, because I feel like these two things are going to last you a long time. So you're going to get a lot of use out of this before you hit pan or whatever. Spending a lot of money on like, say, mascara, foundation, or like concealer, I feel like you run out of those things way faster. So I don't know, in my mind, the longer I can keep it, the more worth it is. And they come in like such pretty packaging. So I love Dior, and I love pretty much all of their products that I have tried. So yeah. So I try to keep it high on my cheeks and not like on the center of my cheeks, because I naturally just get rosy there, I feel like. So if I'm bringing it up, it kind of swoops my face up and not make me look so round. Next up is to kind of go around your face with a powder and kind of set it. I love using this powder puff. Putting this on, it's giving you a little bit of coverage, so I love doing it underneath my eyes and setting there and kind of going underneath where I put my bronzer, and then like right here around my mouth, because I feel like that's where my makeup wears off the fastest. So now my base is pretty much done. I just have to do a little bit of highlighter, but as you can see, you can still kind of see my like skin texture through the makeup, so I feel like it does make it look more natural. And I just really basically just added a bunch of color to my face and kind of concealed a little bit of the areas that I wanted to conceal. And then next up is a highlighter, which you can use any kind you want. This is a super old one from Laura Geller, and kind of just put it on any places that I want to highlight. Duh. And then I do a little bit down the bridge of my nose, but not too much, or else you'll look crazy. Then a little bit underneath my eyebrows, because I don't normally do eyeshadow. Since this is like an everyday look, I'm not going to do any eyeshadow. And yeah, so I love this highlighter. Next up is eyebrows, and I love using just a clear eyebrow gel. This one's from Charlotte Tilbury. I love this stuff. This basically just put my eyebrows where I want them to be. I don't fill in my eyebrows or anything. I try to keep them looking pretty natural because the second I try to fill them in, I look crazy. And then next up is mascara, which guys, mascara is so important, and mascara is my favorite step in my makeup routine. Like if I only had one makeup product, I would probably choose mascara because I think it makes the biggest difference on your face. So I love this mascara. This is the Legendary Lashes Volume 2 by Charlotte Tilbury. I raved about this in so many videos, and I'm going to continue to rave about this until they sponsor me. You're going to take your compact with your mirror and you're going to have it down below. This is like the biggest thing. You want to be looking down into your mirror, not trying to do it like this. Because if you're doing it like this, you're just going to get it all over the top of your eyes. So you're going to want to look down and just go in with your mascara, trying to get as close to your lash line as possible. So if you've never tried your mascara looking down into mirror, you're going to try it and you're never going to go back because you're going to be like, oh my gosh, that girl Ella that said that on her video, she was so right. Like so right. It makes it just like 10 times easier, and you're gonna be like, why wasn't I doing this before? So then next up is lips, and I love using another Charlotte Tilbury product. I love all of their stuff. This is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Runway Royal, and I love this lipstick. Amazing. I also love their packaging for all of their products. I feel like it's so pretty. And yeah, I just love them. I love using some sort of gloss. So today I used this Rhode one. This isn't really like a gloss, but it kind of is. It's their Peptide Lip Tint. So it does have a little bit of color, but you can't tell because I put the lipstick on. Whatever. And honestly, I just kind of think their packaging and their stuff is like super cute, and that's kind of why I bought it. So yeah. Don't really know what else to say. I'm such a bad YouTuber. So that's my everyday makeup routine. And I feel like it's the perfect like mix between like natural and then also just looking a little bit like, you know, what's the word? I don't know what's the word. See guys, I ran out of words. But yeah, that's my everyday makeup routine. I really do this pretty much every day that I leave my house. Yeah, if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below and I'll try my best to respond to y'all. And yeah, that's it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.